السلام عليكم وهوين كلا iyo routine kale ani maanta TikTok live soo fadhiistay moogta ayantan ma soo fadhiisanin markaan mara cashaynay iska qaraxaysanay filna fiirsano ina sabrin waa kan abeeday korkoraan meeshaan fadhiya tafaha cunoya markaas waxay tiri wariyaa boogay akhri adiga wax fiirsanay waxaan waa show si iska jecel yaa fiirsana daanga noo soo wada sameeyay aniga dooniya ahay I don't like inaad dadka wax la qaybsado si bacdiisa u soo sameeyay anigana bacdiida soo sameystay sabrina ay amal meesha baan u saaray waxay tiri ana ay ahmiya way qabatay way daadisay ana waxaan dhahay okay ay amal hadana dhulka ka cun marka filinki dhamaaday waa kan aabaheeda vacuum soo qaatay guriga xoogaa naga vacuum gareeyay asiga intuu guriga vacuum gareeynayo nadiifinayay anigana sabrintii habeenkii maxaa la buugiya u aqriyay masaasadeeda caanaha ugu dambeysay xoogaa ku tutuugan ku dhameeyay dambe alxamdulillah salaada isku diyaarinay tahajjudkeena anaka maalintii ma nagu dhamaato ugu yaraan 40 daqiiqo anaka quraan akhrisanin istighfaar samaysanin oo maxaa la dhahay salaad tukanin waxayna noogu macday habeenkii inaan tahajjud sameeyno Soomaali habeen السلام عليكم مركان سوق عي قريو أبرا كسوق عي مركز حالي أعوذ بالله إله يرب الرحمن عرض هنا قاعد عنقتي حقيقة بحذي ninkii saaka guriga hooyaday u waday meeshaan furahayga iyo wuxuu ii diyaariyay koob xitaa kafee ima diyaarinin haddana musqusha soo gala baatigay iyo gabsaarkay yarka oo caatadu ii diyaariyay waa soo baxay gaariga soo kor guriga hooyo imaade hooyo qaxwe iyo mala wax baan dhac isku suusiye waatan ayadoo sabriinti gaariga igu xirxirayso qaxwadeeda meesha ii saarantahay alxamdulillah and then abahele waatan hadee kuula loo soo geliyay gaarigaas iskaaga fadhisaa ani hooyo waa baxnidan lahayd meesha lahayd geyn hadana waa ka soo celinay abahele waatan caanaheeda iska caweysaa ka dambe gaariga igu dhex seexatay markay seexatayna ani xoogaa gaariga baarkina iska galay waa iska fadhiistay mala wax reeree baa guriga hooyo kasoo qaataa isku daldalay hadana guriga imaad alxamdulillah qariyaro caataan iska meeshaan iska furtay abahele lacagtay darad jeexjeexaysa kuma filno abaheeda cashier uu ii keeno hadana ii dhahay maxaa la shopping ku soo sameeyso bahashan uu noo sameeyay I was like macaan badana kadamba asiga bacaweybo hal markaa dhadhami waa ka heli waaya asaansi cunugtiisa filin oo fiirsanayaan ani alla carafta meeshan ka soo bixaysa joogi lahayd ma ka saysaan caraftan okay wala suk wait الله ارجع معها الله لعبتي سوا حلال يوم ماني حلال بيبي وذو ما انت اني صبرين ما عرفت قدنا الكريا ماشي ملاقي بان بيقولوا لكم شو وين I don't know شاه كافيه كلور مس كافيه قبو كاس مسا كافيه قبو ايه هيسا انت كاب غوريغان تالا ما كسيسا كان وانا وجع لهي بهله فاشن بيك طيب ايو brother what is that brother move head move it رح قال marka hore shamac yar oo caata baan shidanayna بعد ما بعد سليدها لوجه ولكن وحيد رنايا سمودي إيجو شوف مرنا إمها ملا لا دقالة ممكن ما يذبح لوبد بس ده وحيالها مهم كه طيب عبيس الحمد لله زاك بحش عن ماشي وأركو وإيسو كذا طبعا حابة أقول لي تعالى لكني بدهنا أنا ولي تعالى ممكن إني روعانة بعرف أنا كفاية هذا كوشبا إني رو سترونج في كعاتا ولا دم مكان intaan suugada karinin ma ka saysaa bariiska cusbo yar iyo maraq digaag ku dar microwave ka macdasa inta gelisid 12 daqiiqo u qabo yaanyadan sabriina cunto laakiin midan xoogaa bidq noqotay digsiga koret ashana ma aragtay koret digsiga in yar waxba ma ka saysaa heeraha ugu qabo saliid waxaa ma aragtay kashab walaaq toon ma ka saysaa intuu qalbigaaga jecel yahay kashab كفاية قاعد بقشين كم عرفت كذا سكسي نظيفي أنت وحكريان بريسكي وحكري من 9 دقيقة باشين ويكروي ساعة ما كي جوان رتما كسيسا كذا دكوا قبو ماشي أقول ريجي أوكي سناكي بيدو ما يسوي وحيد رينا يقصو قارو مثل يكن لا واحد يدير ويا يدف باش الشيء دن عن هيرو قم بها ما عرفت خورت كمان بدنا رنا ممكن ناس ما يسمعوا صوتك أبى هلا وحيد رينا سناكي يبو صدر ناقبو يقعمتي قصع thank you أوكي أما نجيب لنا حبة أمانسين هذا الثان إني روني شيشي لا دعوسي ساك بقى ماذا ninkii wuu isa soo diiray iga soo bixi bahashan ii geli okay bariiskii aan fiirinaynaa cereal bay dhulka ku daadisay chicken vacuum mami eat it zakrigi halkan buu malaygii jafayaa maqas buu wataa ninka alla mintidii waa laga ilbaxay meeshan wallahi xilligan aan sirci lahay haye jar alla qurux badnida markaa jaraysid bahalka noojar bal arag siduu focus u yahay bala diin xiiran waa jidka iskaga soo xirta why you shape like that like you're in the Marines last longer yeah that's true so malaygii halkan geli malaygii soo harharayna baagag buu geliyay wuxuu dhahay freezer ka baalgelinaya kaasna dhaq qasaaradii adduunka waxaan sidhahay chickpea sameey chickpea ma noo yaalo kistan yaristo sabrin frinjeer ku jirta isticmaalina koshab allah wax yaraan badan a'uudu billah ninkan muxuu vacuum dilay miskiinka adii sabrin allah timiyaarkii laga soo dhigtay thank you qadada noo soo gur Sabrina, benoni meeshan ku dhigayso aniga waan soo fadhiistay irido way iska furan tahay daweel baan soo galayso adduunki baa iska sa kafee maarata mami here aniga waan ku dadalaa mugta waxay weydiisato abaha way arkin thank you my goodness aniga ninkan cunugtiisa waan sugi waayay mugta keligay waxaan ahay keligay quudato ma la dhihi jiray keligay baan iska quutaa anigii halkan baan fadhiyaa okay zakrigii halkaas buu ku cunayaa cuntadiisa sabrina halkaa bay fadhisaa qaandada iska leeleefaysaa hadda famil kala duwan aan ahay inta miiskaas isla fadhiisan lahayn ma kasaysaa sida wiilkaasaa edab gurigan wiilkaan mujida asiga ugu edab badan ani haddaa miiska fadhiisanin bahile ma fadhiisanaysa weydiinaysaa
So let me try this in English. So tomorrow is Ramadan. I couldn't get out of bed today, which was just perfect because Zach brought me tea and some chocolates, and I was just kind of like, and he was doing like the finishing touch-ups for our bedroom, and I was just telling him where I wanted things from the bed, and here's this corner that he made, and then he had to put some mirrors up the wall, and here's Sabrina, helping her daddy. She's wiping the nightstands, and then finally they kicked me out of the bed because they had to make the bed, and then I found the energy somehow to get out of bed and get into the kitchen and get Sabrine's snacks ready for the week. Lately, she's been obsessed with tomatoes. She always liked tomatoes, but she stopped eating them for a while, and then now she's back at it. So please, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala increase her in that because I need her to eat. So what we do is we just peel all of her fruits she's going to eat for the week, and we just kind of like, organize them nice. Every other week, she has a new fruit. Lately, she's been obsessed with ginger water. I don't know what the deal with that is. So apples, mushrooms, carrots, blueberries, tomatoes, like, the usual. So I got that stacked up, put it in the fridge. Zach went ahead, got started on the dishes and stuff like that. I went ahead, I wiped the counters and the rest. So he got a vacuum out, and I just followed him with the mop. And here's Sabrina bothering me. By 3 p.m. we were all done, and then he took the baby to his mom's house. He went ahead, he got a haircut, and then we just went out, and then we just, Assalamu alaikum. It's 6 in the morning. Come with us on a very long day of running errands. We start the day with a very nice long shower. I get my drinks ready. I can only have a tiny bit of coffee since I'm nursing, and a lot of coconut water because coconut water helps with milk production. And here I am struggling with the car seat because Zach refused to help me because he wants me to learn how to do it safely. I always do it safely, but he somehow thinks I don't do it safely. The first thing we did was fill up the car with gas, and we went to the car wash. Sabrina right now is 3 months, and she can see color, and she was looking at it like, oh my God, what is that? What is that? Oh, I loved seeing her reaction. After the car wash, we headed to Alta because I needed a couple of stuff, and Sabrina was just chilling in the stroller. She needed to take a nap. Look at those eyes. Then we went to Carter's, got a couple of baby stuff. Then we went to Bed Bath & Beyond. I got another cup. And then look at me, so happy they have my leave-in conditioner that I've been looking for. This is it. And then after that, we were just kind of chilling in the parking lot. This is me singing to Sabrina. And then we went to the mall. Look at them. This is me waiting for my mangolina because I refused to walk around empty-handed around the mall. Then we went to Sephora. And this is Zach carrying the stuff that I wanted. And this hurt a little bit because I got 2 things for $72. Then we went to Harbor Freight because Zach needed to put that on my car. And he needed like a little bit of bolts or whatever, I don't know. Then he got a couple of tools for himself. We went to the buffet. This is Zach trying to calm the baby down. And I like this buffet because you can make your own food. I always do that. I always pick what I want, and I am sitting, chilling, eating my food, and Zach's standing over me. Then we went to Walmart. I got a couple of pajama sets. And then went to the dollar store because there are just certain things that I refuse to pay for more than $1. Then we went grocery shopping. This is everything we got. And Zach loaded them in the car. Then we got home. Zach put away the groceries. And then one of our cats had a hernia surgery. So Zach and his mom removed the stitches of the cat. I refuse to do that. I'm not a nurse. I went into the shower. Zach brought me a smoothie. Did my skincare. I drank that. It's not good, but it's good for you. And then I picked up a book. I read for us out loud while Zach did the laundry with the baby. And then he played a game. I read some more. I did my istighfar. He brought me some snacks, and I called it a night. Good night.
Assalamu alaikum. Today I woke up with the intention of wanting to be extremely productive. However, that bed was looking too good, so I went back to sleep. Woke up 3:30 p.m. Did my hair. Don't worry, Sabrina is wearing a swaddle, and plus she can't put the covers over her head yet. So when Zach came home, I left him with the baby. I went to go get some fresh air, and by that I meant I went to Five Below to get a little bit of stuff. Came home, Zach made himself a skillet dinner. I made myself some tea. I was cooking a meat, and while that was cooking, I got started on the dishes. We have so many dishes. I don't know where they come from. It's ridiculous. Every night clean the dishes, and even though we use like throwaway plates a lot. And then this is the meat that I was working on, and I was making Zach some ribs. While that was cooking, Zach got started on the baby. He bathed the baby. She had a nice long bath and massage from Daddy. Look at her. She's so cute. And then I went ahead, got started on my night routine. I hate waking up to get water, and I'm nursing again, so I need a lot of hydration, and I don't want to wake up to go get water. So I fill up my cups for the night, and this is just me done. And then Zach was like, why don't you take a bath? You look exhausted. I was like, yes, I am. So I started setting myself up for a bath. I love this little inflatable pillow. I'm using the Dr. Teal's like sleep because I need to sleep. And yeah, I just need to soak. Also, this candle is the best because it crackles as it burns, so it's a good background noise. And then Sabrina just hang out with me as I was just taking my bath. Zach brought me my drink. I know a lot of people say don't drink in the bathroom for religious reason and for health. I assure you, my bathroom is clean. If I can trust my baby laying there, I can drink in that bathroom. Also, by 10 or something, we were done. I prayed my Isha. Zach brought me the baby and my iPad and my drink in the bath, and I ended the night with a corny joke. Assalamu alaikum. Let's do a little bit of meal prepping for Ramadan and also make Zach his lunch for tomorrow. So I'm prepping salmon cubes and some chicken. I add the same seasonings to everything, lemon, pepper, yada yada yada, some lemon juice, and then spray it with like olive oil. And then I went ahead, put them in Ziploc bags, put them in the freezer, and then I made Zach lunch for tomorrow. I made him some rice. I like to make life easy, so I put it in the rice cooker. And then I went to take care of the baby and the chicken burned. So I came back, put a little bit of more butter, and then just lemon, put it back on the, stove again. Oh, it was so good. So I make Zach his container for tomorrow, and I literally just stood there and I ate. Like, I was just supposed to taste it for like a little bit, but no, it was so good that I just sat there, ate. I felt shame, so I was like, yeah, let me just add a little bit more on this man's plate. And then so tomorrow he gets some chicken, rice, and salad. And then I cleaned up, and all of this is happening at like 1:45